friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the SeekBar control in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here, edit Eclipse bundle that I open the Eclipse editor and we first window menu and take Android virtual device. So yes, select AVD and start and launch. So whenever you can take design and coding, so our device is ready. Yes, that appear, and we can take as minimize and close this window. Yes, and now we can take in file menu new and Android application project. So here that is a seek bar underscore dev. So that is a first. So let us take, and that is perfect our workspace folder. Next, that is our icon, just blank activity and main activity and activity underscore main, that is a excel base or layout file, and that is a our java file. So finish. So that takes some process. Yes, that perfectly load. And here that is a text view and relatively layout default. There are two layout and one control. So yes, I select and delete hello world, and that is a SeekBar. Yes, so SeekBar is a extension of our progress bar. Here that is a progress bar, and here you can see that is normal and here large. So here we can take as first SeekBar and then one text view. So that we can take as medium. Yes, so that is a not binding with her. So that, yes, now that perfectly. So yes, we can change some property. So yes, I full screen, and here that is ID. So yes, S bar, seek bar, and then we can wrap, yes, that match parent. Yes, that is by default is match parent. So perfectly. And now what to do? So here we can change our uh, txt answer, that is a text box, and that we can take some background color. So that is a hash sign and 0f, so green, and Android that text size. So text size we can 20 sp, and then text style. Yes, so that is a text style, and we can provide as a bold. And then last we have to set as a text color. So yes, and that we can provide. So that is a green we have to take as background color. So here we can take as blue. Yes, so 00f. Yes, let us check. So I can save first and then go in graphics view. So look, that is our medium text and that is our sigma. So what to do? So here that is a first we can take, or now that our design is ready. So here we can take as a first SeekBar, and that is a moving, means that is a we can drag. So let us check, and now I start our coding. So src. So here first we can take as a static way, then after we can take as dynamic in next upcoming my video lecture. So here how first we can take a SeekBar reference. So SeekBar, yes, that appear, and sb1, yes, bar 1, and text view. So that is a t1. Yes, perfectly. And now first sb1 find by id, so we can take that id from r.java file. Yes, and s bar and semicolon and typecasting. Yes, and now t1 find you by id r.id dot, then text, then semicolon, and here now we can type casting, and that we can take SeekBar dot that listener set that we can take as a set on. Click is not, but we have to set on. Yes, SeekBar change listener. Yes, set on SeekBar change listener. That is a perfectly. So yes, here timeless object, and that is a change listener. So look, yes, just try full screen. So yes, here that is a giving error. We can solve. Yes, very interesting. So here I provide semicolon, and then we can first that class import. So that is a yes, that import we get package. So all error is gone. Yes, very simple. So you can look here, that is a SeekBar, that is a set on change listener. So yes, that is I think perfectly. So stop tracing, start and progress. So here we can take our text box value. So we can provide like a set text box. So set text, yes, and that we can message cover, yes, cover, and then plus. So we can use as sb1 dot get progress. Yes, how many progress that value we have to take from SigBar. That return is a integer type, and then plus concatenation slash how many, that is maximum. So how that move, that give the get progress. Yes, get progress, and then we can sb1 and get max. So maximum that value. So out of how many? So like we can say that a page m to n, first to how many total page. So here that how move that seek bar and that maximum size. So perfectly. And now what to do? So we can print some message in toss, and we can also print that value is also possibility. So here that is a moving. Yes, let us check. Here we can use as a toast class. Toast dot make text get application context, and here we can say that bar start or starting. Yes, that is meant. So bar on tracing. Yes, so bar tracing or just start tracing. Yes, that type of bar start tracing. So that is a perfectly. So tracking. Yes, not tracing but tracking. So tracing touch. So that is a perfectly. And then here next our that argument of make text. So toss, yes, toss dot long and then show semicolon. So that error is gone, and copy. So yes, first I copy, not cut, and paste to here. So here that is a stop. Yes, not start. So we can say that stop tracking. Yes. So and remove this comment line. So yes, that perfectly. So here we can go as a static. I save. Yes, that is save, and now we can run. So here that not appear. So we can select first. Yes, here SeekBar demo. So that is a we can take how that the handler. So that we can take set on SeekBar change listener. Yes, here change listener. So that our apps is running. Yes, our device is ready. So first we can take as a static way SigmaProgressBar how to move. So SigmaProgressBar is an extension of progress bar, and like playing music that time that progress is appear. So that is used is a SigmaProgressBar in Android apps. So our device that we can play music. So that time you can look here. So now I move as manually. Yes, you can look here. that cover, yes, 20 and 100. So SeekBar now stop. Yes, when we can, I click mouse hold and press. So SeekBar start tracking and now stop. And how number of that value? So out of 100 that cover. Yes, again I start. So you can watch here SigMar start tracking and 68 out of 100, and now that after that is stop. So again I move some value, so that is a perfectly. So yes, stop. So yes, here very simple. So that is a static way. After we can take as dynamically, like in my YouTube channel, we can take as a thread class. So we can also use in SigBar, and SigBar and progress bar both we have to combination in next upcoming my video lecture. So yes, first our design we can take one SigBar. I just summarize, and that is a text view. Then we can change some property and apply some layout. So text size, text style, text color, background color, that type of all, and both that id we have to change, and then go in java file. And here first we can take two reference, not a object, because new operator is not sigbar sb1 and then text view and find view by id, that is a method of activity, and typecasting needed because that return is a view class, yes, parent class, and then set on SeekBar change listener, taking that change listener event. And here we can just toast class SeekBar stop tracking, and here start, and here that on progress we can use that get progress method. And you can also use this second argument integer, that is a, so you can also print. So that is a, let us check. So we can change, yes, that value we can change. Yes, I give the like pv progress bar value, yes, or seek bar, yes, seek bar value, not progress bar, because seek bar is an extension of progress bar. So we can print, yes, here also, and that is a, just maximize. So plus sign, and here that is a value, yes, and that message, and then again concatenation. So let us check, we can run again, and now I can use in this button. So our apps now post, so SeekBar demo, and let us check what is a different. So just get progress, that is a already give the value this second, and there are three argument in on progress change. So that is a integer, yes, that first value, and boolean, so that is a true false, so three argument. So now yes, that appears. So let us check. I, so you can look both are same. So that is a my just testing for you. So I already know what is a, so yes, get progress, that is giving the same this second argument over a variable. So we cannot, means that is same value, you can look here, yes, and here that is one blank page because that is a 100 and both are concatenation. So yes, that is after you can take yourself, because that is a just value is concatenation this. So cover 45, yes, here that is a 45. So you can also use this if you cannot use get progress method. So you can directly write this value sv progress bar or seek bar value progress, that is an extension of seek bar of progress bar. So progress bar and seek bar, that is very important in Android app. So now you can take both way, get progress or the second argument also you can use here, just like for testing for you. Yes, so I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So any doubt or any question regarding this SigBar control of Android, so you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And subscribe my channel Ashok Jalakani. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.